so happy it rejected after that.
GJ,
Yeah.
this sell right over here.
No, it was a buy.
It was a buy. Oh, here.
1 second, not looking. Somewhere there only. What time is that? 1 second, I'll tell you exactly where I took it. I took it on the 15 minutes at 12:45.
On the 15 minutes at
12:45.
what is my time set to? Yeah, my time is correct. At
Yeah. 12:45. That straight candle after it broke the top on the left, I took it.
oh,
About
12:45. Okay,
Yes.
so after it broke these tops
Yes.
with no bottom wick.
No.
Risky,
I don't know
frisky.
why. I don't know why, but like I saw huge rejections from the downside.
That's
and,
good.
like,
That's good. Good
previous
analysis.
candle.
Yeah.
I mean, see, I knew it was not going to stay for long, so quick in and out. Didn't even close partials. Direct.
In and outers.
Full TP.
That's how we like. Let's go. TP one smash. GJ. That's it. That's how we go. That's how we do it. Right now, this is what I am looking at on GJ.
I saw the analysis that time.
Yeah.
Clean, but huge no trade range.
Huge no trade. This entire thing is a no trade range. So yeah. Once we get below this level, I will definitely take sales for sure. Now we can remove the parts, but we have a nice 100 pip buy if we close above this level. It'll be so nice. 100 pippers. Let's go. Paul. But yeah, alright, 5 of them on YouTube. What's good, gang? Prime times. Oh, it says London session, my bad. It's alright.
It's okay, everybody is used to it now.
Yeah. 160,980. 160,980 buy stop, huh? Really now? I mean, interesting. There's some neat levels down here, but you want to get above the rest. Let's see if we can pick up any. Okay, look at this 4-hour candle flip.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, let's look at this. That looks a little tempting, not gonna lie. Fora looks good, or should we wait for this Fora break with the previous Fora high? Let's put in a few more hours. Let's add 6 hours, 8 hours. Let's see, 10 hours. Candle flip looks really good, bro. flipped. We've broken these previous 2-hour highs, these previous half an hour highs. 8 hours. So now when we look at the 4-hour, we've created a small minor top wick. We broke the previous 2-hour high. We need to close above this. 2, 3 hours, 4, 6, 8, 10. Odd time frames. We've selected odd time frames. Alright, let's see. 4-hour. What can we see that'll make us initiate these buys? Just to close above this level or what? So in this 1 hour, we're looking for this 1 hour candle to close above this level, and the next 1 hour candle, or next the 2 hour candle or the half an hour candle to close above this level. Oops. Alright, what's up guys? How's everybody doing? What's popping off? Now this should continue pushing as we break those highs to continue. What candle is? Okay, the next candle is the New York Open candle. Dangerous. Alright, so the only thing we're looking at is the previous 4-hour high. So once we start breaking above this level in 1 hour 21 minutes, we could expect the last few minutes of this candle to break this high to continue up. So that's what we will be looking at taking. Until then, we're just shaking and baking and waiting. EJ. EJ is having a very tough time over here. Alright, EJ. EJ, we shall look above this level over here. But this is a problem on EJ, this 2-hour level over here. But if we break it, we could continue. From the 3-hour time frame onwards, if we break it, we can continue. Yeah, I'm expecting EJ to fall once we start breaking below 250. Yeah, 145-minute closure below 250. We have a nice 50 pip range. Let's just mark that up. Yeah. Yep. This is what I'm looking for on GJ. Much clearer. It's a Friday, we're not trying to force any trades in. Oh, gold already pulled my move, which I drew over here. But yeah, that's good. Gold should actually continue down now. Alright, what are your thoughts on gold, guys? There are 10 of y'all. Let me know, what are your thoughts on gold? What do you all think about gold? Is there nothing anyone wants to say? Oh, look at this. 4-hour candle closure below. Easy peasy. So sweet this is. Not gonna lie, look at how clean this gold sells though. You could have literally let it go up. And as we were breaking the 45-minute low, we could have taken it. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, even the 30-minute candle, this could have been taken from here. $20 pip stops, about 50 pip profit. 70 pip, my bad. Oh, let's say Euro JPY coming down, GJ rejecting, but I'm not really looking at it until we break below this level over here. Paul says, yeah, gold is bearish. Yup, gold is bearish. What is up, Paul? How you doing? But currently waiting for NFP. Yes, we're all waiting for NFP. That should come out at 6 o'clock. That is in 45 minutes. EJ coming down. Gypsy, what's up?
Me, I'm just waiting for a nice break of structure on GG only, dude. The one you sent on the Discord, yeah, that looked good. But again, Fridays are bad days, so I'm just holding off.
Yeah.
Let's see how it goes.
EJ looks a lot better. Let's see. on the paper. Let's see, this next 15 minutes is gonna do a lot for GJ and EJ. For GJ, if we break above this level, the next 15 minutes is crucial. For EJ, if we break below, next 15 minutes is crucial. So in order to correlate this, if GJ closes nice and bearish a little bit, let's say below this region, and EJ closes below this region, then we should be bearish on it. So yeah, what's your favorite trade? What's your favorite pairs to trade, Paul? Gold and GJ, fantastic. Fantastic. Are you a funded trader, Paul, or do you trade your own personal funds? Trade personal funds. Fantastic. Keep up the good work, Paul. You're killing it. If you just took the 4-hour break of the lower, so you would have been in profits. 20 pip stops, 50 pip. Yeah, let's just wait for NFP to help gold understand where it wants to go. Gold has some form of weird trend going on right now. Alright, let's see how this pans out. 1928. This isn't the first time I'll be calling the 1928 level out. Alright. I think 1928 is a nice level to buy above, no doubt. But as of now on gold, we're just waiting for the trades to set up and NFP to get over. So Gypsy Vanguard finally worked.
Yeah, I played quite a bit last night. It didn't crash. I'm happy.
Insane.
Oh, let me put Warzone for download. I deleted that.
Alright, guys, are there any pairs we can look at? Are there any possible trades on any other pairs we can look at? Is there any possibility? Da, 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 da. Last night's trade was so easy, dude. Even Asian, dude, honestly, we're gonna start trading Asian session like crazy, okay? I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not joking with you. We're gonna trade Asian session like crazy. Just look at this 2-hour candle closure. 4:30. 90 pips, that's almost 100 actually. Prime times, GBP USD. Alright, let me take a look at GBP USD. Even though I've taken it off the pairs I normally trade. Okay, not gonna lie, GBP USD is ugly. I don't like GBP USD prime times. I don't like its price action. I don't like the way it forms. I don't like anything about it. That's all I can see on GBP USD. We're stuck in this range. We're not doing anything ever. I don't like GBP USD. Do 15-minute chart. I got that trade range. So, prime times, can you send me a chart? I wanna see what you're thinking. I wanna see what exactly you're looking at. Because I think we're gonna be ranging for some time on all these pairs. Gold may buy up. Gold may buy up. Those in the how I send a chart. Alright, so you look, watch this, okay? Prime times. You see the small camera icon on the top here, okay? So what you do is you click on that camera icon, okay? You say open image in new tab, okay? You copy the link, alright? And in the chat, right? In the chat say GU chart. You have to do this, okay? But you have to remove the entire link except for the /x, okay? Everything else is good. And send that to me in the chart. Oh, my bad. Kishore, that was a mistake. That was from yesterday. Oh, I don't use TradingView. I use MT4. My bad. Screenshot it, prime time. Screenshot it. Windows key G. Oh, those overlays don't show up in the Windows capture. Dang, that's so cool. Yeah. Let's go. Let's see, we got some new features. Oh, these are, that's Mario Kart.
Bruh. My gosh.
Hey, next time we win a trade, we're playing this victory team, okay? And when we lose, we play this.
Could you send me the link for your PSC on Discord?
Oh, what's up, Track Trader?
No, it's alright.
Alright. What's good, fam? How you doing?
Am I being low? Oh, shit. Bless up, big up on yourself. My bad, I don't mean to do that.
No problem.
What's good? What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're just chilling, waiting for NFP to finish.
I see what you mean. see what you mean there.
Yeah.
I was thinking about that. I'm
'Cause
in a gold trade now myself.
Okay. Are you in a gold long?
Yeah, actually.
BEA, beautiful. I was telling them gold longs once we break above 1928 again. But
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I got the dip. So what happened was it actually fell to a 78 dip for me.
Beautiful.
Kind of meandered out of it, went down
Yeah.
a little bit. So when it did that last liquidity grab, I was like, all hands on deck for 1 minute. So
Let's go, lad.
it was a tough one.
Yeah.
I still don't think he's gonna fully go in my favor. Honestly, he's gonna have a hard time breaking this.
Yeah. So what I think, Trek, what I want to see happen is this 30-minute close into this range, right? Close up somewhere here, and the next 30-minute break this previous 30-minute high. Okay, because that will be the 45-minute high being broken, one hourly level being broken, and then we can expect the candles to start looking more bullish.
Exactly. No, I agree with you. I agree with you 100% there. So I'm basically, you see, after that bearish candle that's touching the trend line there,
Yeah.
I kind of took the retest of the trend line.
Beautiful.
So I know that has a chance of reversing, especially now that it's just tapped into what was the previous week's lows of that 15-minute time frame.
Yeah.
So right now I'm not risking anything. It's just to manage it and see if it actually
definitely
exactly that you mentioned.
Come on, Trek, you're at break even, right? You're at break even. So this is a risk-free trade. So whether we like it or not, Trek Trader, there's nowhere trader comes out bad out of this. So yeah. The only thing that's against us is this minor time frame trend on the 15-minute red. But if this is the low like we have on previous levels of this trend line, right? Then Trek Trader has successfully bought the dip. Let's go, lad.
You know, I'm anticipating if it does that, right, and it holds that area of demand and continues going up.
Yeah.
I'm expecting it to break those weak highs right there you just mentioned. So
yeah.
For 1936.8 minimum.
Yeah, that would be the minimum I'd be expecting to.
Nice to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, my question though, one of you guys in the group, I think it was Maverick, had mentioned some pip calculator that he used. Maybe use the same thing.
Pip calculator?
Yeah. Which one do you use? Yeah,
I use Magic Keys.
Oh, you use Magic Keys?
Yeah, Magic Keys, and I've put in the Discord, like here I've put in the template I use for Magic Keys.
Okay.
Right over here, the two for currencies and gold. And so I can show you my settings.
Oh, Magic Keys is the next step.
Yeah. So here you can see GJ properties. Alright, so every trade I risk so here you go. Where was it? I risk 1% per trade. Alright, 1% per order. And you can see the rest of my settings over here, you know, my close customs and everything. So one second, let me load it up for the currencies. Here you go. So you can see my partial close. My first custom close is 25%, my second is half. And then I have, okay, so when I click open calculator, right? It'll automatically calculate 1% risk on 10 pip stop loss. You get it? So that 10 pip stop loss will be only 1% of my account. And if if I take, okay, so let me show you a trick. It's actually pretty cool, okay? And let me just.
It's like the PSC tool.
Yeah, so here you see GJ, right? Okay?
Yeah.
Over here, so I click open calculate. Okay, so firstly it's going to show to me in a buy position. Alright, so open calculator, you can see. Okay, so it shows me 20 pip profit target and 20 pip loss target. Alright, so let me just expert list GJ 2%. 1 second, let me load currencies. I don't know why that is changed. But here you go. Okay, so where's my magic keys? Right here. So when I open this, okay, right, you can see 10 pips stop loss, $100, right, 1%, and to take profit in 25 pips, that's 2%, right?
Yeah.
So if I
yeah,
so if I increase the stop loss to say 20 pips, okay, can you see it still remains 1%? Only my lot size will decrease. It will automatically calculate my lot size.
Yeah, so that saves a lot of time and
saves so much time.
How much is for it anyway?
Pardon?
How much is, what's the cost of it?
Oh, it's the on-screen version which I'm using right now. It's $30.
Oh, okay. Alright, it's not bad at all.
Yeah, I think it's a decent price to pay for a trade manager, basically.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be more than that, to be honest.
Yeah. Alright, could we anticipate? I think we should just... It's a Friday, no need to give your profits back to the markets. Take a chill pill. Let's wait for NFP to finish. Yeah?
Definitely wait for NFP.
Yeah. K1 Beats in the chat. What's good, K1 Beats? How's it going? Okay. Yep. Then we have Azim. AUD JPY looks good. Can give a breaker. Let me just check AUD JPY. DJPY. Alright, so we're talking about this closure above this level on AUD JPY. Alright, right over here. Alright, that looks interesting. AUD JPY has been pushing since morning really strong, so we're just gonna wait to see what's popping on AUD JPY. Yeah, AUD JPY has a nice no trade range. So Trek, you see this, right? This is how I define my no trade range right over here. Alright. So we see that price. So price has never broken out of this area previously. Okay, for 4 hours right now, price hasn't broken out of it. So now when I see price closing either above this level or on the 1 hour time frame below this level, I know that we've either created a lower high and now we're going to create a lower low to continue down, or if we do break this high, we've created a higher high and a higher low to continue up.
Alright.
So that's how I create my no trade range, because within this range, whatever happens, so like when I go to the 15-minute time frame, whatever happens, I'm not taking a trade. So now when I look at it, can I refine this no trade range? Yes, I can. So now when I go down to the 15-minute time frame, I see that there is a no trade range till this level over here, because price has formed a flat candle body support right over here at 950. You see, I like it when it lines up like that.
Yeah, there's no coincidences in the market.
Yeah, 950, and perhaps you can take this up to 92, 100. So, you know, you have a nice psychological level to work off of. So there you go. We get this nice.
No, I get you. I get the concept behind it, because of the consolidation essentially.
Yeah.
Creates a range where it's uncertain.
Yeah. So look at this. I will take this resistance from here. You can see this 30-minute resistance, which was previously a support, right? And I'm going to use the same levels. That could be, let's say, a 2 pip range on AUD JPY and 100. Extend these zones to here, and then yeah, we wait and see what happens. There you go. That's my no trade range. Anything above this, we get clean traffic up here above. Yeah, above these points of interest that we previously had, and anything below here, we get nice clean sells down. in this clean traffic range right over here.
Yeah, true.
So that's how I develop my no trade ranges, just to not get twisted in this range, you know. Otherwise,
And I'm sure you use multi time frame to help with your
yep,
confidence.
yep. So I would most likely wait for so right over here, even though I can wait for a 15-minute closure below this level, right, which is the flat candle body support, I will still wait for a 45-minute or a 1-hour candle to close below this level. Because on the 15-minute time frame, that could just be a fake out, right? Price could just come down here, and then we are heading right back up from there. You know?
So you'd rather wait on the 45-minute close in that situation?
Yep. So the 45-minute candle closure below this level will probably give me two 15-minute candle closures, right? And so that will give me complete confirmation that we didn't fake out back into the range.
Alright, fair enough.
So
that is logical.
So yeah.
Instant time frame correlation, you know.
Yep. So yes.
Not many people use that.
Yeah, multiple time frame correlation is very important.
Yeah, it's one of the most important concepts in my opinion.
Yeah, so even though we
I'm
can
using trend lines now for that.
Oh, okay, trend lines, eh? For me, I only put this trend line on gold because look at this, like how many taps do you really need, you know, in the same spot?
Well, I have my own opinion on that one.
So yeah, it looks pretty good to continue off.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, it's exactly right.
Yeah.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Hey, look at it. Track trader bought the dip. Let's go.
Hey. Let's see. Run up.
Yeah. So you see what's happening on GJ now, right? So let's see. See, we're printing barcodes as of now, right? We're printing right beside each other. So look at what we did previously while printing barcodes, right? And when we have your breakout of the barcode area, oh, we should be moving.
Yeah, it's the asymmetrical triangle right here.
Yep. So I think what we can wait for is NFP to move price out of consolidation in order to take the continuation.
Oh, this is gonna break out soon.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right. You know, it has the time for NFP.
Exactly.
Based on the range of it.
And you can see it setting up, right? You can see it just setting up, and like that's when you know you were lied to and there's market manipulators everywhere.
1 to 10 minute time frame.
1 minute, let me just go on to that. 10 minutes time frame, let me just add that.
Yeah. This closes in the next 1 minute 14 seconds, right?
Yeah.
I created a tweezer top. There's a tweezer top in the previous two candles. And
yeah.
The current railroad bottom in the current candle, which is a 1-2 engulfing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So based on that and the fact that it's in that triangle that he identified, which is the no trade range, there's a heavy chance that it can just break out to the highs.
Yeah.
Something that I want to consider looking into, essentially. Because essentially you could refine what is your larger no trade rate to a small based on that, right? That little consolidation there.
Definitely.
Since I just saw it, something just came. So.
Yep. Yo Ashish, what's
Looks
good,
interesting.
Yep. It does. Let's see what happens. Now we got what? We got another 20 minutes for NFP. And
is it? No, is it?
Yeah, it's in 20 minutes.
Oh, cool. What was I thinking that was 8:30? Oh, because it's the time frame robot.
Yeah. NFP. Buy stop, sell stop, NFP?
You know what? I'm actually thinking about buy limit for.
Oh shit, you could.
Really no.
But it's mad late for that.
Yeah.
It's really close to where I'm. Basically, I'm looking at a potential tap into 160.806.
Alright. Sounds good.
And that's a 4 pip range, right? So that would be, you know, something I would say is like a pre-market breakout.
Yeah.
But then it's after the market opens.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. So as you can see, gold is struggling over here. So what we need to notice over here is that this 15-minute level right over here needs to be broken.
Yeah.
So we need to get above this 15-minute level, which could be a psychological level, which I always talk about everywhere I go, which is 1930 flat. We are struggling to close above 1930 flat.
Okay.
So if you're wondering, Trek Trader, why price is not moving up swiftly, it's because of 1930. We wait for once
no, man, I definitely anticipate it.
Yeah, once we get a closure above 1930. Yeah.
I know it's gonna struggle right here.
Yep.
But then I didn't consider the psychological level to be there.
I usually consider all the flat levels like 1930, 1935, 1934, you know. Like only the rounded numbers, you know, because you see price reacting to it so many times, you know.
Yeah. No, definitely. I've heard a couple theories behind the psychological level. It makes sense.
Yeah, for me, Trek, the psychological levels is just plain and simple understanding for me. If I bought gold at 1700, right? For me, like, let's just assume I'm not a trader and I don't work with like trading psychological levels. Like for us, we look at different fib levels and we'll be like 1924.500 or 800 or something like that, right?
Yeah.
So if I'm just the common man investing and I bought at 1700, at 1900 I will be so happy to take my money out.
Yeah.
Right? And to understand our psychology, and psychologically, when I'm at 1894 or 1895, I will be waiting for that $5 more of increase in price, right?
Yeah, that's true.
And that happens to us as traders normally, where we look at, you know, okay, we see 9 pips in profit, we're like, okay, let's wait for that 1 more pip in profit, you know?
Not 1 more, let's look for the 10.
Yep, let's look for the 10. So that's why I many times look at psychological levels, because like we understand that the common man struggles with that issue.
Yeah. Like you just do.
Yeah.
I'm actually watching gold on the 1 minute.
Gold giving you anxiety on the 1 minute?
Oh no, bro. There's no anxiety. I'm just looking for a potential retest or to see how price reacts coming close to NFP. Right now, it's breaking a trend line. There's a smaller inner trend line that is breaking.
Yeah.
Still has, because of the time, the length of time that it took to break the trend line, it can respect the higher time frame correlation and basically still break back under the trend line. So even though it's breaking out on the 1 minute, the mere fact that it took 2 hours, 29 minutes to the point where it's actually breaking the trend line.
Yeah.
It still has to work with like at least a 30-minute time frame correlation, right?
Yep.
So that being the case, definitely have to wait and see what happens after 7:30.
Definitely.
From 8 o'clock. so far. It's a good news.
What is the prediction? Let's check the prediction on NFP. So according to the files, the forecast is supposed to be the forecast is actually supposed to be good. 1 second.
Is it?
Yeah, the forecast is supposedly good.
Well, that's
Sorry,
actually a
or
good
am I
thing.
looking at it the
Yeah.
wrong way? 1 second. Previous
That
actual.
would be good though.
Oh, the forecast is actually negative. My bad. The forecast is negative.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, the focus
Okay,
is
so
negative.
you think that's why the banks are doing a liquidity grab.
Yeah,
'Cause
they
did the liquidity grab prior to
Yeah.
near
Oh.
opening, right? They
Oh.
did.
Track trader. Look at gold.
Oh yeah, bro. I'm here, bro.
We're flying.
I don't know, man. Psychology is moving different.
Let's go, lad. That's how we roll around here.
Facts.
And I marked.
That's what I was telling you, that it's making that decision right now.
Yeah.
Check what I sent to you in the trade ideas.
Let's open it up for everyone to see. Let me just open Discord. Ooh. Track trader buying the dips. Let's go, lad. But that was beautiful.
So the guy
too.
that was good what the anticipation was. You see,
Yep.
it still is another trend line that I'm telling you, this thing can still consolidate.
Yeah. So that's what I marked out for them, and I said once we come above 1928 flat psychological level, we should start moving up. And guess what we did? We came above it and we went up.
Just kept it pushing.
BEA beautiful. What else are we looking at, chat? Let's go. 4 hour time frame on AUD JPY. Let's see, it's not the cleanest it could possibly be. I'd still just wait for a closure above this level, a clean, nice, big closure above this level. I feel like NFP may take away our trades. As in, like,
Yeah.
it may not give us entries, it may just push and continue. Which also
I
means,
think
like,
this NFT, the way most of the markets are poised, it's could be a lot of liquidity grabs.
oh, definitely.
So I'm being as cautious as possible, essentially.
Yep. Alright, gold is retracing after a nice big push, big rejection. What could we do on gold? Let's see. I think let's just watch NFP play out and see what happens when there's positive news and what happens when there's negative news. We collect that information and data and we should be good.
Facts. I think that's a safer option at this point. Trust me.
Yeah.
Unless I did, if I didn't enter where I entered, I wouldn't be entering again. Because
Yeah.
there's just too many factors at play for it to be safe. Essentially.
Exactly.
And where it's at right now, it's basically in a no trade range. Isn't it? So
Yeah.
we're back into another one.
So now we're stuck in this next range. But like honestly, I was actually looking at this to clear this range nice and clean up to 1934 at least. But
Yeah.
I don't know if we're just gonna reject 1930 straight up, you know?
We still don't know that yet.
Yeah, so we need to start seeing candles continue closing up here. And then we should
One of
have
the things I'm anticipating though, if
Yeah.
it potentially wants to really push bullish, NFT should just run it straight to the highs right here, right now,
Yep.
in the next 10 minutes, right? So if it doesn't
It
want to do
should.
that, then it's still holding doubt in terms of a fundamental view. So
That is true.
definitely waiting to see what happens.
Yeah, I think we're about to find out in a bit. Let's see, a track trader with the brilliant trade. Maverick sent us something that's interesting. What is this? Okay, 1.17 lot sell. Oh, this is the EA he's using. Interesting.
Oh yeah, Maverick running up the EA.
Yeah, Maverick runs all the EAs up. Man, if this doesn't start moving, I'm gonna start playing Call of Duty. Let's see, Epic Games. Is there any update? Gypsy, is there any updates?
I will not know. I'll be downloading it. That's all. But Epic I've not launched it today.
Epic. Okay, no updates. We got Vanguard. Was on any update? No. Bum, 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 bum. Since we're at it, may as well launch all the gaming clients.
Wow.
Let's check it out. Come on, just see what's poppin'.
Yeah, I'm not playing right now. We'll go all night long today.
All night long.
Oh wait, for you all night is 11:30.
Hey, all night is all night. You say all night, I say YOLO. Let's go. Come on, GJ, let's just break this low over here and let's push the way you pushed an Asian. Why you gotta push an Asian and not give us a trade, honestly? Do you find it weird that every time we stop trading Asian, GJ and everything starts moving in Asian?
Yeah, that is there.
Like, bro.
Good timing, GJ.
Yeah, seriously. Either GJ or let's see, EJ looks really good on the 45 minute. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, that's the way I like it to be. But it's just not doing what I want it to do, to be honest. So once we break this low, we're breaking the 3-hour low. See, but again, we need a 15-minute closure at least below this level. Alright guys, 10 minutes for NFP. Don't take any funny trades. Let's just wait it out. Let's just wait it out. If GJ comes up here and closes, boom, we take a buy. Come on guys, let's go. Let's go, chat. Alright. We're waiting and anticipating. Come on, if you're in this New York session, say something in the chat. Tell me where you're from, what you're trading, and what you're expecting out of NFP today. Alright, Mr. Gold is pushing up again. Alright, interesting. Alright, NFP in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. This does look tempting to take the break of the 4-hour high to continue up. But we shall not, we shall wait for NFP to complete. Yo, Trek, it's morning time over there for you, right?
Oh yeah, man, it's 7:26 now.
Uh-huh. Big shout out, my man. We are watching you from the big screen. Shout out to Judith, please. Alright, shout out to Judith. I have no clue who that is, but a big shout out to her. Trends United, welcome to the stream. Let's go, lad. What are we looking at? Trends United. This guy is a market destroyer. Also, Trek Trader, remember we used to talk about prop firms?
Yeah, man.
Have you heard about this prop firm called True Forex Funds?
No, not familiar with that one.
Honestly, after looking at it, I'm pretty impressed by it.
True Forex.
Yeah, True Forex Funds. On my screen, can you see it? True Forex Funds?
Oh yeah.
They're really good, and guess who's their what do you say? Account provider, broker. Yeah, they're broker. True Forex Funds.
Oh, I wonder.
Yeah, so their broker is IC Markets.
It's IC.
Exactly. So it doesn't get more legit, right?
Yeah, that's true.
And I was just so impressed.
One of the main reasons I wanted IC because of how strict their regulations.
Exactly. I feel like, I would be so comfortable with leaving money in IC Markets than with any of the other providers.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Really be like that.
Yep, Trends United. Man, Trends United, when are you gonna join us on the Discord server, my guy? When are you gonna talk to us? Also IC Markets have really small spreads. That's true. IC Markets does have small spreads. Alright, 1 minute left to NFP. 1 minute left to NFP. Alright, everybody is ready for NFP. Let's see if GJ can break out. 34 seconds. Who's watching gold? Oh, gold's back in the range. Ooh, gold with the rejection candles. Oh, you can literally have a buy stop above this 15-minute candle and have a take profit and an auto break even trigger right over here. Literally. But let's wait. 10 seconds left. NFP coming out. We've rejected, so I'm guessing a good sell from this level as we break this 15-minute low. But yeah, just watch the market, guys. NFP rolling in. Let me just open the news in small.
Go crazy.
I think it's about to slam it down once we break the previous low. Okay, come on. NFP is negative. Unemployment rate is positive. That's chaos. What do you do?
You stay out.
Yeah, you just stay out. Just take a chill pill. Trends United, don't worry, I'll join you all soon. I am just currently away from home. Alright, no problem, Trends, we're waiting for you. Yeah, but that you just stay out of that. I think now the move has slowly started. Let's see, careful lads, don't risk your life's earnings over this. TJ. TJ. And gold has started her fall.
Yeah, but it's a possibility that it's just doing a liquidity to turn into income.
Yeah, so we'll know about that once we break this region right away.
Bro, I had a trade on gold. What was it? I think it was yesterday.
Yeah.
I missed entry by 2 pips. And it's
Oh,
around
man.
300 pips.
It's okay.
300 on it.
Trader be buying those dips, so we're gonna have to give you a name tag. You don't seem to be buying anything other than dips, so yeah. So yeah, and so trader also, once you're funded on True Forex funds, there's a 80 to 20 profit split, okay, which is crazy.
Right.
80 to 20.
Right away.
Yeah, right away. Bi-weekly profit split, and the same, 5% max loss and 10% overall loss.
Okay.
Now that's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, as a professional is managing.
Yeah, and I forgot what was the maximum you can have. Okay, so I forgot. I think it was 400,000. 400,000 was the maximum funding. Yeah, pretty much like FTMO.
Yeah. I think guys cannot set the standard.
Yeah.
This one missed my limit order by a few pips.
Oh, the buy?
Yeah, for this is for gold, right?
Yeah. Where was your buy at?
My buy was at 1925.531.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah. You should have had it at 19. You should have had it at 1926 on the dot.
1926 on the dot. Yeah. I see what you mean.
Yeah.
That psychological level. Yeah?
Woo! Levels, baby.
You're right. You are absolutely right.
Yeah.
That's exactly what.
Because look at it on the 15-minute time frame. Right, we weren't really expecting it to break that level. So if we were gonna buy, we were gonna buy it off this level.
Yeah. It did a return to impulse for me.
Yeah.
So like this 15-minute candle still has 9 minutes left. Though. And
Yeah.
it's such a massive difference with the NFP. If the news finishes negative, then that makes sense.
Yeah. It's a little bit messed up right now on the news because
It is. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna really feel any way. I think if I had some prediction of idea where it can eventually go on, I missed the price of the fish pound.
yeah,
I say, you know what I mean?
definitely,
I
yeah,
can be happy about this skill set.
that for sure.
Ah. Bro. Is what it is.
Oh man, there are so many live streams going on right now.
Oh, we're in the Discord.
No, like in general, you know, the London live streams. Wait, let me just show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at this. Live. 700, so that's 1400 plus 800, that's around, okay, 2200 plus 2200 plus 1400, 3600, 3700, and 3710 viewers.
Yo, well, it's getting way more popular in the last 2-3 years, you know.
Yeah. Let's see what each one is doing. Did they take any trades? Gold sells. Interesting.
I mean, if you're in the sales from last night during the Asian session, I could understand.
Yeah. Then did they take any trades? They didn't take any trades. Did they take any trades? Oh, he already scalped it out. The same position that you took, Trek, the buy. He took a very small position here.
Yeah. Oh, mine was on the retest of the low.
Yep. SPX 500. Interesting, they're expecting it to absolutely fly apparently. Interesting.
Boy, that computer processor fast.
Okay, Euro JPY and GBP JPY finally moving.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they're about to start moving.
Yeah, that's an official break of that. It broke out the
Yeah.
structure there and the trend line.
So on Euro JPY, I'm gonna wait for a 2-hour closure above this level. 750, because that's so. I go to the time frame track where I find the cleanest price action, and then I wait for a break on that time frame. So same thing on GJ. Watching it, we could wait
Oh,
for
so
a,
you would have entered that 160.9 then.
which one track? 160.9. 160.9. Yeah, so I'm waiting for it to break above these levels over here. So the 1-hour
Okay.
closure above this level would give me confirmation. So this is what I'm gonna look for, okay, Trek? Even if we didn't get a closure above this 161.200, I'd expect a drive up to that level, no problem, okay? So what I'm gonna look for is go to the 2-hour time frame. Okay, we have this resistance which we've respected before. So if we close the 2-hour time frame up here, I'd wait for the next candle to break above the 1-hour high and take my trade from
Yeah,
point
okay.
to point.
Okay, I got what you said.
Yeah, so that would be like a 2-hour time frame continuation. But as long as we stay below it, we know we're rejecting it. So yeah.
Yeah, because this one impulse could be short-lived.
Yeah. K1 beats. Caught 3 pips on gold, stops to break even. Alright, that's good, that's good.
Yeah, bro, I wasn't quick enough.
Alright, so now what we can see is gold is ranging. Gold is struggling. If you look at the 30-minute time frame, track trader, 1930, you see how it's holding? So I would technically want to buy once we close above this level over here, track.
About 1930 level.
Above 1930, 800 now is my level.
Okay.
Alright, so I want to see price action start closing into this next range. We have not yet been able to close into the next range. Yeah, so once this 15-minute candle closes above here, we could expect a nice little move
That's 4 minutes.
to continue up. Yeah. So let's see. Can we?
So it just finished as a very bullish. She's gonna run up
Yep.
3 minutes.
That should absolutely smash the top roof. Yes, sir.
The ironic thing is, I was mentioning the fact that I missed my trade the other day by a pip because I had a feeling that the limit order was gonna miss by the same amount.
Well, oh, gold doing the dirty.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. We may get gold buys in now. Okay, that could be a problem.
Yeah, and then you have a higher time frame trend line it has to break right there. So it's a bit funny like that because the way the price action is, it looks like it's a good buy, but it's one of them places of resistance.
Check. I honestly think this is still a good buy. What I'm gonna say is, once this 30-minute time frame does close into this zone, right? Okay, so we have to see. So look at this zone I marked out just now, right? Between 31 and all. So we close above this zone on the 45-minute time frame in a minute, right? And then we take it based off the candle flip, breaking the previous high to continue up to retest previous highs.
Okay, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Because essentially, candle pattern wise, it's going to finish as a morning star that breaks the first line on the 45 minutes.
Oh, there you go.
You're absolutely right.
Yep. It may do it without us, and that's something we're willing to accept.
Yeah, so what I've been doing, I've been practicing my time frame correlation. I've been doing that.
That's good. Time frame correlation is very important.
Yeah, man. You see the one I sent in the last trade idea with gold? Yeah, good example.
Yep. Let me just check that out.
Trend line.
Okay, give me
Yeah,
a
man, check it out
second.
real quick.
Let's just wait for
Oh,
this
no problem.
50-minute closure. So this 45-minute also is closing up here.
Oh, yeah, in a minute now.
Yep.
Hold on, 15 seconds.
15-minute. Are we breaking above this or not? No, it doesn't look like we're breaking above this. So if we make a bottom wick, okay, if gold makes a bottom wick, we can get in on the flip, stops to break even at the top of this wick because that's a wick fill. But now it looks like it's just pushing. So yeah, so nope, no trade for us. We're just gonna watch EJ and GJ perhaps. Wait for something to close. The next 15-minute candle on EJ should close above this range. Oh wow, EJ.
Made a nice move from that.
Yeah, look at this from the bottom of the range. If you had to buy it,
Yeah, it was a nice flip. Yeah.
40 pips. Now gold is gone. Like that's not something I would take on gold anymore.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah, because on the 45-minute we've already tested the high and we came down. So
And that's why I was trying to get in on the lows, right? So when it did this little dip during the NFP, so especially when you told me that NFT news was negative,
yeah,
then you know people gonna invest.
you could
in gold,
expect the break of the high and continuation of. But I'm not getting into
right? You
gold.
can still do that.
Yeah,
It's
Gold-
just the thing about it is the timing of when it wants to do it, right? Because
Yeah.
it's a point where you want to focus.
yep. This should continue up easily, but I'm not looking into taking this trade anymore.
I know, I see what you mean. It's
Yeah.
difficult.
Yeah, it's a little difficult to be honest. But gold is the one pair that usually has the volume to move through difficult areas.
Yeah. Do it. No man, I do expect it to run up, man. I expect it to
Yeah.
run up till which one? I'm thinking before the day is complete, it'll go up to 1954 possibly.
Yeah. Alright, so look at this strike trader. If GJ closes small bearish, okay, right now. Okay, we close small bearish right over here. I will take a buy when we break the previous 4-hour high. Yeah, because then I would be expecting GJ to just make a small bottom wick and then break the high to continue up.
Alright,
On-
I get what you're saying.
Yeah, on the 4-hour time frame.
It finishes in the next 11 minutes.
Yep, that's what we're waiting for. And in the next 11 minutes, if we close above 161 flat, that'll be ideal. That would be my GJ
Yeah.
buys on another level. But there's
Yeah, take out 161.369 is the liquidity target
yeah.
for me.
Alright, so NFP is done. We can do the NFP caution. AJ moved up beautifully after breaking the highs. Kudos to those who took AJ. Gypsy.
What up?
GJ buys breaking the 4-hour high.
Looks tempting. Think I've secured 1% today. I don't give it back. A little not very confident. It looks really tempting though.
Yeah. No, play it cautious if you.
Yeah. I don't have enough days left, so I'm gonna play it very safe.
You're up 5%, right?
6 now.
2% now.
Yep.
2% more. Du-du-du. Du-du-du-du-du. Man, this is so slow. Come on, markets, do something. Seriously.
Put up that meme again.
Oh, what are we talking about? That GJ meme, eh?
Yeah.
Wait, okay, let's see the volume. So yeah, this is the area of interest. Once you get above here, this should continue. Come on, GK, what are we talking about? Let's go. Beautiful, Azim. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Give me a second, guys. Alright. GG about to break previous 4-hour high. That will be golden. Oh, come on, GJ. But if GJ closes like this is fantastic. Attempt number 2. I think GJ will break this and continue. Alright, now let's take a look at it. We have 4 minutes. It doesn't have too much to push up. Alright. So we're gonna wait for the next 4 hours to create a bottom wick. Alright. So we'll be expecting that wick to only retest this range, break this high and continue, because this is now the highest 4-hour high that we have. And if the 4-hour closes like this, we're closing above the 4-hour resistance, we should be good to slap it out. I feel really good about this, I'm not gonna lie. It's just that there are some concerning levels right over here, definitely.
Oh my gosh.
What happened?
Sorry. I forgot I was not on mute. There's some work stuff and everyone's messing around.
Yeah. Your expressions are priceless. Okay, let's open calc. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this next candle to create a bottom wick, and then I'm gonna take it as we flip up. I feel like this is a good one. When does the 3 hour close in 2 hours? Okay, 4 hour looks really good. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for the bottom wick and then a push above. Let's just relax before we take it. So we can take it above 080 is the level. Yeah, we can have. Okay, but see, we need to close above this level in 1 minute. So this is a no. If this happens, that's a no. Oh wow, gold went to the top of the range and slammed it back down. Look at the 1930 level.
Yo.
Trek.
Oh yeah, bro. It's playing inside the trends, man.
Yeah.
As I was mentioning to you,
Definitely.
You see the trend line. It's playing. It broke out to the first one, but because the larger one was playing from a higher time, it has more time to play around. So the way I look at those trend lines, right, it allows you to appreciate how much time do you actually have to correlate the information.
Alright, so I'm gonna.
Now,
yeah.
The 4 o'clock is gonna close, right? So let's see what you're saying.
So I'm waiting for GJ to close above this. Okay, so if the 4-hour closes above this and we wick down and then continue wicking up, I will take GJ buys at the break of this high in expectation for volume to help us keep pushing up. Alright, let's create the low GJ. Alright, let's watch the 4 time frame. Alright, so here you go. 080 is my level which I'll be holding. Yeah, and the break of this high will be break-even figure. I'll have a 10 pip stop. Should we wait for the 3-hour closure? So once we break this low over here, I will not be looking at that anymore. And there you go. I think we broke it. Okay, not yet. So deep pullback. EJ. We closed well, but we didn't close above. Guys, no trade.
What can you expect from an NFP morning, bro?
Yeah, it's really messed up, to be honest.
I feel like that sometimes.
Yes, sir.
So much
Yep.
So yeah, I know, like, even with the gold option, it was short-lived in my opinion.
Yeah.
But I wasn't holding it for too long. I was hoping that it was going to break that trend line. But at the same time, the trend line was my validation point.
Yeah. But yeah, there's no trade now.
DJ knocked out.
Nope, GJ is back in the range. We seem pretty content with the barcodes we're filling in right now, so. GJ just doing GJ things, yo.
Alright, blood, I'm gonna get some food in on the system. Big up on yourself.
Yep, even I'm gonna call it a stream, track. I'm gonna call it a stream. I'm also gonna, I'm calling it a session, cause like it didn't exactly happen, right? Or will you be there till NYSE open?
NYSE open. 9 was that?
That's another
8:30.
hour from now, yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna be about the place soon. What I'm gonna do is join in on my phone, so just keep me posted, yeah.
Alright then, I'll be around here somewhere.
Alright. Listen.
See ya.
Peace.
We're ranging completely, guys. Alright, GBP, JPY, what can you give us? Oh guys, there's not much to look at, to be honest. Yeah, nothing is doing anything. Beautiful. AUD JPY break and retest done. Alright guys, it's a Friday evening over here. Yeah, and nothing's gonna close anytime soon. I'd say go have a banger time with the family and just relax. Take it easy. Why is this so enticing? Look at this massive rejection. We're going to wait for this 15-minute candle to close and then see what's up. Alright, I think I might take a GJ trade over here. Just a small one. Big 15-minute candle rejection. Left. Some form of energy entering the market. Alright, let's take a look at it. Level. All right. I want this to close and then the next 15 minutes to drive up so we get a nice stop loss. So let's see. Alright, let's see. Will GJ give us a nice trade entry? That's all I want for a stop loss, 10 pips. Oh, gold should move actually now. Oh no, sorry. Forget what I said about gold. I said nothing. You said bye bye. Alright guys, my week is done. I'm gonna call it over here. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. you can see where is this. Custom period today. No trades taken today. Clean slate. We're closing it off for the week. If it happens, it happens. I just want to chill and vibe out. The weekend is upon us. Y'all take care. Trade safe, be smart. And I will meet y'all on Monday. But yeah, guys, see y'all. Take care.
See you.
See you, Christy. Bye.
Have a great weekend.
You too.
Yeah.
Have an awesome weekend.